In the last 7 days, I've earned over $7,000 by posting super simple 10-second videos on Instagram and then re-uploading those exact same videos onto my Facebook page. Here is exactly how you can do the same. Here is my Instagram account. You can see that I upload very simple videos that don't look like they get a lot of views. I mean, a lot of my recent reels, these short videos, only get anywhere from 2,000 to 10,000 views, which is not a lot for Instagram. But the way that these reels are monetized and the way that I'm going to show you in this video how to monetize them, I'm still able to make really decent money from this low number of views. I also make some posts on my Instagram profile. So posts are just these images that you can see here on the screen. I take those same exact videos and same exact posts and I upload them onto my Facebook page. This method will work exactly the same way in any other niche. You don't have to be in make money online or in any kind of investment niche. For example, this is an account that is in the relationship advice niche and it works the exact same way. They've got reels that are getting a few thousand views up to, maybe 10, 20,000 views per reel. The reels are very, very simple. They don't require you to be on camera and everything will work the exact same way. So you can totally do this in basically any niche. It can be a recipe niche, a workout niche, anything that you can possibly imagine. This model has 3 main components. One is content. The second one is email subscribers, and the third one is monetizing those email subscribers. So I'm going to take you through it one by one through each of those components. So I make all of those reels and all of these posts, and in each of these posts, in the description of the post, I invite people to comment, "Let's go Greg." And when they comment, "Let's go Greg," so I'm getting a bunch of comments here, "Let's go Greg." I get anywhere up to 400 to 500 comments on each of these reels. Once they comment, "Let's go Greg," I've got an automated program that comments back to the user and says, "Awesome, just DM'd you, please check, did you get it?" And there is an automated direct message that goes directly into the inbox of each of these users. So you can see here are all of the direct messages that are constantly going out by my automation software. And in each of these messages, I'm basically sharing a link. This link is the same as this link in my bio. So from all of my content, I basically want people to be able to click this link or type that link into their browser and get to my opt-in page, and in the opt-in page enter their email and get something that I'm promoting, like a free offer. So personally, I'm promoting a $0 trial access to my course, but for you or for other niches, it can be something like a free checklist, a free report, or free guide on how to do something. It can be something as simple as 10 best plans for how to build a chicken coop, or 10 best woodworking projects, or 10 best tips on how to invite out a woman or a man of your dreams. And once a person enters their email address, from there on, they basically give you permission to be able to market to them anything that you want. It can be affiliate offers. It can be you can try to sell your own products to your email list. And you can see that in this autoresponder account, in this particular niche, I add anywhere from about 100 to 200 email subscribers per day. So I've got a mailing list of 82,000 subscribers right now. So this is my audience to which I can send out emails every single day with either some helpful advice, perhaps with links to my videos, or to promote certain offers, my own products or affiliate offers. All right, so first let's talk about content. The best way to get started with your account creation and content creation is, once you've registered an account, is to follow some of the larger accounts in this niche that are clearly doing well. So you can go onto Google and just type in Instagram and then your niche, for example, relationship advice, and just open some of these accounts that have got over 5 or over 10,000 followers and check out their content, follow them, and you will notice that when you follow them, you'll get some more pop-ups here as suggestions for you to follow. So open up each one of them, and if they look good, then follow them as well. So this one has got 71,000 followers, so we can follow them. Follow these guys, 18,000 followers. Okay, if this looks good, then follow them as well. So what that's going to do is, once you're following all of them, then whenever you go into your Explore feed, it will give you a constant list of ideas and reels and posts that these particular accounts are posting, so that you can get some ideas for what kind of content to create for you. So here we can see, for example, an account with 279,000 followers. All they're doing is they're making these reels that all it is just text, okay? And they're getting tens of thousands, even sometimes hundreds of thousands of views on these reels. And then whenever someone likes this content, they will go and check out this URL, and they're promoting something, some kind of an affiliate product, for which they get paid a commission anytime someone ends up buying this product. So this is a very good example of, if you wanted to go into a relationship niche, this is the type of content that you can make. Some of the best type of content that is doing well right now is so-called B-roll content, which is this type of content where you're not actually on camera. It's like footage of you doing something and then some text on screen. It literally needs to be just about, anywhere from 7 to 15 seconds. And you generally ask a person to comment to get some more information, or to DM you to get some more information. I don't want to overwhelm you with content creation in this video because I want to cover a bunch of other stuff, but if you really want some in-depth information on what kind of content and how exactly to create, you can get free access to my training course for 7 days. If you just go to fastervideos.com or click the link in the description, I'm going to show you a lot more in that training. I've got over 80 videos there covering every single step. For the purposes of this video, let's just talk about once someone comments smart, like I'm asking them to, what happens with them? How do you then monetize this comment? So you'll see there is a bunch of comments here. They're saying smart and they've got replies from me. Now, I don't send those replies manually. I actually use a program called Chatfuel to automate this. Chatfuel has a free plan if you want to start with that, just to try it out. And it allows you to set up these automations. So you can see that I've got comments auto reply. Whenever someone replies to a comment, Chatfuel does two things. One is it sends a public reply to that person after 47 seconds, and it just says, hey, thanks, just sent you a DM, one of these responses, and sends a private reply. Private reply is just a direct message into the inbox. And I'm just gonna zoom in here. You can see that this is what I'm sending. I'm just basically sending this message with a link where they can opt in to get my training. So in my case, when they type in fastervideos.com, they get redirected to this kind of opt-in page where I'm inviting them to get instant access for $0 to my training. That's a 7-day trial. In your niche or for your specific circumstances, you don't have to create your own course. You can basically just set up some kind of like maybe a 3-page or a 5-page mini guide for your niche. If you decide to go into the relationship advice, then you can just create a simple but quality 3-page PDF guide, and you can instead give away that in your videos, because a lot of people will still want to get that as long as it's something useful and sounds like it can help them. And of course, you can always see what other accounts are giving away in your niche. So for example, this relationship account, you can click the links in their bio and you'll see exactly what they're doing. They also have this invitation for you to join their email list. So once you've studied other successful accounts, you'll get a pretty good idea of what works for that audience. Okay, so what do you use to build an email list? I currently use ConvertKit myself. I'm really happy with them, and they have a free plan. So ConvertKit is a platform that will allow you to build your email list and also to send information out to your email list, perhaps to sell your own products or to promote things as an affiliate. They have a free plan and it's free for up to 1,000 subscribers. Once you've got 1,000 subscribers, generally you can make at least a couple of $100s a day from your email list. So at that point in time, you can afford to upgrade to one of the paid plans so that you can start building a larger list. But once you start getting regular subscribers, you can start sending out promotional emails to your subscribers. Of course, you should also send out some useful information. But when you send out promotional emails, you can promote various items as an affiliate so that you can earn commissions. A good way to find programs to promote is to go to these other accounts. So for example, this account, Love Sick Relationship, just click on the URL in their bio, see what they're promoting, scroll down. There may often be a link that says something similar to this, affiliates. And then from there, you can sign up to promote this exact same product. We can see that this particular one, for example, is on ClickBank, but there may be other offers on other affiliate networks. So just check what other people are promoting and try to see if there is an affiliate sign up link there so you can promote it as well. ClickBank is a huge network. If you go into the different types of offers, you can see all the different categories of different products that you can promote. And the reason I personally like ClickBank is because it offers really high percentages for any sales that you refer, because these are digital products which basically have a very high profit margin. So if you go into, say, the relationship niche, so let's go into self-help, and then we go marriage and relationships. You can see some of the top products here. So in general, this rank high to low, this will get it sorted in terms of the volume of sales. So you can see here the top relationship products, His Secret Obsession, the X Factor, etc. They pay really high commissions. So $61 per sale, $45 per sale on average, $50 per sale. So you can promote all of these in the relationship niche. And if you guys want to learn every single step in a lot of detail, then go to fastervideos.com. You'll end up on a page that looks like this. You can enter your email address and it will take you to this page, which will give you 7-day free access to our course. You can see it's a $0 trial. So just click get instant access. If you thought this video was cool, then I'd super appreciate it if you can subscribe to my channel just below, hit the like button. And after you've done this, go ahead and watch this video next. This is another really cool way to make money with AI and video, and I really hope you're gonna enjoy it. Thank you so much. I'll see you in the next video.